Because what the title of my talk today is how to run workshops that get you noticed. And one thing that I learned early in my career was that when you want to be noticed, when at work, for the work that you're doing, you're working really hard and you want people to take notice, whether it's your manager or your other teammates, whoever it might be. The thing that is that you have to remember is that you need to tell people about all the amazing work that you're doing. You have to be the one to demonstrate what it is that you've achieved. So this is kind of like a sneaky way of doing that, which I think is kind of cool for people who don't want to be so obvious, right? So what you're going to do is you're going to tell everyone that you're going to be documenting the day or the hours or the week or whatever your workshop is. You're going to take action shots and videos and of people moving around the room, of people putting Post-its up, of people laughing, of people writing ideas down and thinking really hard. The whole process is documented, okay? And then what you're going to do is you're going to share that with the team in a nicely packaged item, right? You're going to wrap it up in a digital bow, and you're going to deliver it to your team, and you're going to say, look at this, guys. Look at this awesome work we did. Remember all the exercises we went through, and how I took you from we were scoping the challenge, and then we were creating ideas, and then we were executing on those ideas, and we prototyped, and you have the whole thing in front of them. And the key about this, what makes this really, really powerful, is not actually the fact that you share it with the team, which is a great reminder for the team, but they often share it with other teams, right? They then are because everybody wants to be look at how hard we were working, right? Do you see what we did last week? Yeah. What have you been doing, right? Everybody's in a competition, so just help them out, right? Help them look good. You make your clients or your team or whatever look good. It makes you look good. So this is super important that maybe just mention it. Oh, feel free. Yeah, you can share that wherever you want to share that. You just go for it, right? And then they go and share it. And happy days, you've got people calling you up for more cool strategic workshops.